Here's something which is fascinating about the body, and even scientists don't know how to interpret it. The body of an organism begins with one cell. Now it reaches up to 100 trillion cells. How does it know how to build a body to 100 trillion cells? There are thousands and thousands of cells, and each cell is very complex. Not only that, in each cell, there is a manufactured manual, and this manual, it builds itself and operates in every single part of the cell. This is where it's called DNA. Now, in every single cell, there is a DNA, which is the chemical blueprint, and that contains all the instructions on how to build and operate every single cell in every single aspect of life. And this is based on that component in that nucleus. It's fascinating. What's more amazing is that each cell has the entire DNA of the body, and each cell is reproduced and continuously copies over that blueprint. This blueprint that we talk about, the manual, and it makes another cell. And each of the trillion and trillions of cells contain all the manuals for each and every one of the cells. Here's what's even more amazing. It's even programmed to correct replication errors. Like an editor, someone reviewing a newspaper for any mistakes that may be a special protein or enzymes that have gone down. It knows sections by section, and it has the code, like the editor of the enzyme, to repair it. How is it that when the body is creating each cell, and each cell must be different because each cell is a different part of the body, it has different functions, and that is the reason why we have trillions and trillions of cells. For instance, the nose has specific cells. The liver cannot take the code of the nose, otherwise things wouldn't work. And it needs exactly that cell. Basically, the DNA tells the amino acids how to create proteins and build cells. Now, here's what's more mind-boggling. If you were to take all the DNAs from all the creation of the world today, it would all fit into a teaspoon. That is how microscopic all this information is. So what we discovered of the DNA is that it's a sequence of letters, of the messages that contain and forms the body. What an amazing universe.
If you like what you've heard, please let us know by leaving a comment below. We would really appreciate if you would be kind enough to like, share, and even subscribe. Feel free to follow us on Facebook.